Hi there everyone, my name is Andrei Marius. I've been working in Photoshop for over 10 years, and in this Envato Tuts Plus tutorial, I'll put my experience to use as I show you step by step how you can create this wobbly text effect using Adobe Photoshop. To complete this design, we'll use this headline font, which you can get from Envato Elements. So make sure to check out Envato Elements, where you can get unlimited downloads of stock videos, music, graphics, photos, fonts, and many more, all ready to use and with simple commercial licensing. You can subscribe right now using the link in the description. Let's create a new document. Select inches from this drop-down menu, set the width to 18 and the height to 23. Make sure that the color mode is set to RGB and keep the resolution to 72. And then you can create your document. Press Ctrl and 0 to fit the canvas inside your screen. Then go to Window in the menu bar and let's open all the panels that have this check mark. And when you're done, move to the Layers panel. Just click this button and go to Solid Color. Let's set this color to 0100C8. Click OK to apply this blue. And now we want to add a 1-inch margin around the document. So go to View, Guides, and New Guide. We'll keep the vertical box checked and enter 1 inch in the position box. Click OK, and now you'll have a guide 1 inch from the left side of the canvas. Go again to View, Guides, and New Guide. This time check the horizontal box and again enter 1. Click OK to add this top guide, and let's continue with the other two. Now, because the canvas is 18 inches wide, we know that this vertical guide should be set at 17. Remember to check the vertical box and click OK to add this second vertical guide. Go one more time to View, Guides, and New Guide. The height of the canvas is 23 inches. So the position of this new horizontal guide should be set at 22. Click OK to add this final guide. And now that you are set, we can continue with the text. Select the horizontal type tool from your toolbar. Make sure that you have the headline font selected and just click on your canvas to type in your text. Press the Escape key when you're done and move to the character panel to further adjust the settings of this text. First, you need to increase the size to 270. Keep the leading at 240. Replace the color with white. Also align the text to the right side. Let's move it to the center of the canvas and then press Ctrl T, which will allow you to rotate this text 90 degrees to the left like this. Remember to press Enter and then perfectly align your text with the guides, somewhat like this. Now get back to the Layers panel and let's make the text and the color invisible and continue with the Rectangle tool. You need to click on your canvas to create a 5 by 1512 pixels shape. Fill it with the same color that we used for the background. Move it and align it with this left guide. You can use the zoom tool to zoom in on this shape to make sure that your rectangle is perfectly aligned with the guide. Then press Ctrl Alt and T, switch to the direct selection tool. Remember to hold down the Alt key and drag a copy 10 pixels to the right. If you can't see pixels in that tooltip, then you need to open the flyout menu from the info panel. Go to Panel Options and select Pixels from this Ruler Units menu. Now press Ctrl Shift Alt and T and you will get new copies 10 pixels apart. Press Ctrl and 0 to zoom in on your entire canvas and keep pressing Shift Ctrl Alt and T until you get to this right guide. Once you're done, head back to the Layers panel to turn back on the visibility of these layers. Select the color fill and press Ctrl J to duplicate it. turn off the visibility of the original color fill, and then select the copy along with your text and the vertical lines. Right-click one of your selected layers and go to Merge Layers. Keep this layer selected and let's go to Filter and Liquify. For starters, you'll need the Blow tool, so select it from this toolbar. Set the brush size to 90 and the density to 20. And then simply click and drag to distort your text somewhat like this. Keep in mind that you can press Ctrl and Z whenever you wish to undo a distortion, and continue to distort your text. Until you end up with something that's somewhat similar with this. When you're done, you need to switch to the Twirl Clockwise tool, set the brush size to 300, the density to 20, and the pressure to 82. And then again, using click and drags, you can distort your text as you wish. Finally, you can use the Forward Warp tool whenever you wish to slightly adjust the curviness for some of your characters. Once you're happy with the look of your wobbly text effect, remember to click OK to apply this filter, and to cover these empty spaces, just turn back on the visibility of this color fill. With this final touch, your design is complete. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Remember to hit that like button as it lets me know that I did a good job. Subscribe if you aren't already, and don't forget to click the little bell icon to be notified of any new tutorials. I'm Andrei Marius, and I'll see you in the next video.